Hi, today I'm for the XIAOMI 13 Pro and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here scroll down, you will see silent mode switcher, and just to activate silent mode we should click on the switcher. To turn it off we should tap on the switcher once again. If you want to silence media in silent mode we should tap on the switcher. Just when the silent mode is activated we can see that our ringtones they are muted, and when the silent mode is turned off ringtone just will ring. The device will ring. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just press up or down volume button and you will see here bell icon. Click once on this bell icon. Now silent mode is activated. To turn it off, click on this cross bell to turn it off. Also, we got the third way how we can do that. Just open the control panel. Here you will see mute icon. So now silent mode is activated. To turn it off, click the mute icon, and that's it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.